EA is allowed in FTMO. Are you allowed to use expert advisors, also known as algorithms or robots in FTMO? Let's talk about it in this quick and short video. By the way, if you're wondering what's on the screen, is synthetic indices. I also do trade synthetic indices on the side. So if you're wondering what they are, see the links in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment below. So EA is allowed in FTMO. Can you trade with EA's expert advisors, algorithms, or robots in FTMO? The answer is yes. FTMO allows the use of expert advisors, algorithms, or robots, whatever you call them. You can run automated trading systems on their platforms as long as they comply with FTMO rules. So EAs are fully allowed on MT4, MT5, CTrader, and DX Trader. No restrictions on strategy. You can scalp with them, swing trade with them, hedge, news, trading, automated systems, all is permitted. Just make sure you comply with daily loss and max loss limits, even if you are trading with your robots. You can use your own coded EAs or third-party EAs, provided they don't exploit a server latency or violate fair use policies on FTMO. But the short answer is yes, FTMO allows the use of EAs or expert advisors.